1. How many bits are in a MAC address? A. 24. B. 36. C. 48. D. 64. Answers: C. MAC addresses are 48-bit. 2. What is the minimum CAT level cable required for a 100BASET network? A. CAT 1. B. CAT 5. C. CAT 5e. D. CAT 6. Answers: B. 100BASET networks need CAT 5 or better UTP. 3. Which of the following is an example of a hybrid topology? A. Bus. B. Ring. C. Star. D. Star bus. Answers: D. A star bus topology, like the one used with Ethernet networks, is a hybrid topology. 4. A typical CAT 6 cable uses which connector? A. RJ11. B. RJ45. C. Plenum. D. PVC. Answers: B. CAT 6 cables use an RJ45 connector. 5. Why would you use STP over UTP cabling? A. Cheaper. B. Easier to install. C. Better to avoid interference. D. They're interchangeable terms. Answers: C. Shielded twisted pair cabling handles interference from other electronics much better than unshielded twisted pair. 6. What kind of frame gets received by all NICs in a LAN? A. CAT 7. B. Broadcast. C. WAN. D. SC, ST, or LC. Answers: B. All NICs in a LAN will receive broadcast frames. 7. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge are all examples of what? A. Web servers. B. Print servers. C. Web browsers. D. Proxy servers. Answers: C. All these programs are web browsers. 8. John's boss asks for a recommendation for connecting the company network to a small satellite building about 1 kilometer from the main campus. The company owns the verdant land in between. Given such a scenario, what network technology implementation should John suggest? A. Ethernet over UTP. B. Ethernet over STP. C. Ethernet over multimode fiber. D. Ethernet over single-mode fiber. Answers: D. John should suggest the only network technology implementation, listed here, that can cover those distances, Ethernet over single-mode fiber. 9. Erin is stuck. She needs data from a friend's laptop to work on her desktop, but neither of them brought a thumb drive. She has any number of Ethernet cables at her disposal, but the last port on the switch is taken. What's her best option, given such a scenario? A. Connect the two computers directly using a patch cable. B. Connect the two computers directly using a crossover cable. C. Connect the two computers directly using an STP cable. D. Run to the store, buy a thumb drive, get back to the lab, and physically move the data. Answers: B. Erin should connect the computers directly using a crossover cable. 10. Eddard hands Will a cable. Will hands it back and says, meaningfully, "That's a nice F-type connector you've got there. What kind of cable does Eddard have? A. Coaxial. B. Fiber optic. C. STP. D. UTP. Answers: A. Eddard has a mighty fine coaxial cable in his hands.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.